Since we've been talking about tires here today, I want to bring up something with one of our tire systems on the trucks that we have. And we use a Peria Halo system, which is right here. It's a self-generating rotary air compressor. It's preset. This one's set at 100 psi. So what happens here, let's say the tire's a little low, whether it's the inside one or the outside one. Let's say it's at 85 psi. As that tire spins, it will air the tire up to the preset PSI that's on the unit, which would be 100 PSI on here. One of the things I wanted to bring up to our drivers is that every once in a while, let's say we serviced it here at the shop and somebody didn't tighten it good enough or something was going on. And if you happen to be doing a good inspection and you notice that this cover is tipped out like this, make sure you check to see if this is loose. 99% of the time, these are good and secure, but every once in a while we've seen them where one was loose, whether the install was poor or something broke here. If you notice that your cover's tipped out, please make sure that everything is secure. Take the cover off, find out what's going on. If it's loose and you're unable to tighten it, get with the road service, make sure we get it to a shop and get it secured. Once the hoses break, that's an unsecure load. That could fly off, like I said before, hit a car, hit a motorcycle, you name it, and we don't want that. And you don't want that either. And we want to be the safe ones out on the road. We don't want to be the cause of problems. Like I said before, do good thorough pre-trip and post-trip inspections. Look at everything. You got to take this off, but you just push the button. You got to take this off to look at your lug nuts to make sure your lug nuts aren't loose. Your hoses are good. There's no air leaking from your hoses. And you just got a good secure halo on there that's not coming off. Just one more thing to inspect. So make sure you're doing that.